security concern and challenges in IoT.
Introduction.
The Internet of Things has rapidly transformed the way we live and work, connecting devices, vehicles, and even buildings to the Internet. While this connectivity offers incredible convenience, it also brings forth a host of security concerns and challenges that demand our attention.
Device proliferation.
As IoT devices continue to proliferate in our daily lives, from smart thermostats to connected kitchen appliances, security risk increases exponentially.
Data privacy.
One of the most pressing challenges is data privacy. IoT devices collect vast amount of personal data, making them attractive targets for cybercriminals.
Inadequate security measures.
Many IoT devices lack robust security measures, making them vulnerable to hacking and data breaches.
Firmware and software updates.
IoT devices secure is challenging due to the lack of regular firmware and software updates, leaving devices with known vulnerabilities.
Interoperability.
Interoperability issues can hinder secure communication between various IoT devices and platforms.
Regulatory compliance.
Navigating the complex web of IoT security regulations and standards can be a daunting task for manufacturers and consumers alike.
Addressing the challenges.
While these challenges are substantial, experts, researchers, and policymakers are working to address them. They are developing better security protocols and standards.
User awareness.
Raising awarenesses among IoT device users about the importance of regular updates and strong passwords is crucial.
Closing remarks.
The future of IoT security depends on a collaborative effort from all stakeholders. By addressing these challenges head on, we can create a safer and more secure IoT ecosystem.
Conclusion.
As we continue to embrace the convenience and efficiency of IoT, we must remain vigilant in addressing the security concerns and challenges. Through collective effort can be ensured a secure and connected future.